Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this epic looking avatar for your YouTube channel. Here we go. So first of all, you're going to want to open up a new document. Now, YouTube's maximum size for an avatar is 800 by 800, I believe, but I'd honestly recommend base 2 numbers like 512 by 512. It'll make it easier scaling on like different platforms. So I'm just going to do 512 by 512. Right, so now what you're going to want to do is grab your text tool, make a new layer, and you're going to need to use the font Molot, assuming you want the same sort of style. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to download it. And you type in your channel name, so you're going to do your name, and then press the tick and scale it up with Control T to go to transform mode, and Shift and then drag. So then the top, I'd say go for FF009. Go for this hex code. And then for the bottom, go for CF0. Go for 009 CFF. Done. Cool. Somehow memorize those hex codes. Oh. Also, you're gonna want the alignment to be in the middle. Oh, it's weird. Never seen that. It's a question mark. Here. Now you're gonna double click on it to open up the blending tools. I'm gonna go to stroke, and you're gonna set the color to black, full opacity, position outside, and size 10 pixels. Now I'm gonna make a new layer, put it underneath the text, grab your marquee tool, select black. Now, how I do it is I fill in the top left and the bottom with black, so like this. And so the bottom, obviously you can do it however you want. I just do it like this. If it doesn't work like that for your name, then you can just experiment. Then you want to fill in these gaps here. Same sort of method like that. And deselect. Right, so now you're gonna use this, use the background. So I'm just using a background I got off Google. See if I can put it in the description. If I can't, then just use whatever background you want. Then just put it like that, underneath, and then now you're gonna make this a smart object. Group these two together, like so. And then you're going to want to put a stroke of 5 pixels with opacity of 75 at white. And gradient overlay, opacity 100. Gradient is the top left one. And the angle 135 degrees. Now, you can, we're going to use the gradient tool on radial to create a vignette. Now there are multiple different ways to create vignettes in Photoshop. You can choose whatever way you want. This is the way that works for me. So hold Shift and make a line. Then scale it up and try to center the circle as best as you can. Then go to soft light, and there you go. Now I will say overlay looks pretty cool too if you want intense black, or you can lower the opacity if you don't want it too dark. But yeah, I'm just gonna go soft light. Also hard light looks kind of weird. Yeah, hard light looks weird. Right, soft light. Now you're nearly done. Just need to make a new layer. This is the cool bit. You're gonna use, and you're gonna make an angle like this, whatever you want. That back, and then connect it back like that. Now you're going to want to use the same color that you used for the bottom text or the top text, whatever you want, and just fill this in with like color. So like Now you want to use the polygonal lasso tool once again, and you're going to connect it up at a slightly different angle, and like so. And this you're going to fill with black, just like that. Oh, make a new layer and put that underneath. There you go. Try to align it as best as you can. Cool. Now make this a group. On this group, what you want is a gradient overlay, the same as the gradient overlay we used on the text, but you also want an outer glow, blend mode overlay, opacity 100, white, spread 11, size 98, and then you want to move this into the center, and then hold shift and press the down key 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. This ensures that it's aligned. For some reason, these buttons aren't working for me, like when I select it. Then do Ctrl J, that will duplicate the layer. Hold shift and rotate it 180 degrees and do the same. Align it in the middle. Then do shift, but up this time 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now obviously you don't need to do 15, whatever. It honestly depends on the size you made your text, but that's just how I'm doing it, so it doesn't really matter. And so basically, yeah, you're done now. Now if you wanted to change the color, if you're not a fan of the color scheme that I've got, you can just use a hue saturation layer. And also, because this is still a smart object, you can still change the text here and change the color, as you can see. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.